Right, we're going to use the AND formula. The AND formula is actually quite useful if you want to assess multiple conditions and return a value based upon whether all of them are correct. So does value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on equal whatever you want it to equal. In this case what we're going to look at is, are each of these months, the figures of the months, are they consistently over 100, which is our monthly target. So basically what we want to work out is, in order to receive this quarterly bonus, have our salespeople satisfied that criteria every single month. And if they haven't, they don't get the quarterly bonus. I've gone through and used conditional formatting to show the ones that haven't. So we know that Nick and Melissa would not get the monthly bonus, but Jason should be entitled to it. Obviously we can just have a quick look, but if you had a lot more salespeople and did this over a longer period, the AND function would be quite useful. Okay, I'm going to start here, and this is going to be a two-phased calculation. The first is to determine whether they are entitled to it. So what I'm going to use is the AND function to give me a true or false, and it should say true if each of these is over 100. It will say false if even a single one is lower or equal to 100 in this case. Okay, start with the equals, and it says logical one, which is what's the first thing you want me to look at. So I'm going to say, is 120 greater than my monthly target? I press a comma to go to the next one. Before I do, just quickly, the next one, what's my logical 2? Click on that. Is that one there greater than my monthly target? Press a comma, takes me to the next one. Is this one here greater than my monthly target? Right, and I can keep going, but that's all I'm doing at this point. If you're going for the whole year, obviously you'd have a bit more to enter. Look at that, close off with the bracket, press enter, and it says fault. Basically it's saying that on one or more instances, Nick has not sold over 100 units, which I know. That's fine. Scroll that down to apply it to everything, and you can see that the only one who it gives a true value for is Jason. Second part of this is to determine how much to pay Jason, and all we're going to do is pull this quarterly bonus here and pay it to Jason only. I'm going to automate this process because all finance wants to look at is this column here in order to pay the right amount. I'll use an if function, easy, equal sign, if, and what I'm looking at is if this is true, if E2 equals true, and you don't need quotation marks in this case, so just the word true, then I want it to give me B7, which is our quarterly bonus, okay. And I'm blocking that in. If it's false, I want you to give me 0. Okay. Close the brackets, press enter, and it's saying 0 there. As I scroll it down, it's applied that across, and it's saying, look, for Jason, the value is true, therefore paying the quarterly bonus. Nice and easy.